Why am I late? Why is she sad? Why is it so hot? Why are they quiet? Why were you absent yesterday? Why was it so cold? Why were they in trouble? Why was the movie boring? Why will I be busy tomorrow? Why will she be upset? Why will it be difficult? Why will they be late? Why will the room be messy? Why will the exam be tough? Why will we be tired after the trip? Why will he be in Mumbai? Why will you be at home next week? Why were the lights off? Why was the gate open? Why were we late to the event? Why was he angry? Why is this bag heavy? Why are we in this room? Why is he at home today? Why are you tired?